How to convert a 403(b) to a Gold IRA rollover without penalty. Market volatility and inflation can slowly weaken retirement savings that rely only on stocks and mutual funds. If you have a 403(b), adding physical gold can help protect your long-term wealth. Understanding how to convert a 403(b) to a Gold IRA rollover without penalty allows you to move funds legally, tax-deferred, and without early withdrawal fees. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. When done correctly, this strategy helps diversify your retirement portfolio and reduce market risk. 1. Know what a 403(b) and Gold IRA are. A 403(b) is a retirement plan for educators, nonprofits, and certain public employees. A Gold IRA is a self-directed IRA that allows you to hold IRS-approved physical gold. Unlike traditional plans, a Gold IRA adds tangible assets to your retirement strategy. 2. Confirm you are eligible. You can complete a penalty-free rollover if you left your employer. You are age 59 and a half or older and your plan allows withdrawals. Your plan permits rollovers to an IRA. Meeting one of these rules helps you avoid taxes and penalties. 3. Choose the right Gold IRA custodian. A specialized custodian is required for a 403(b) to Gold IRA rollover. Choose one with experience, transparent fees, strong reviews, and access to IRS-approved depositories. The custodian handles compliance and paperwork. 4. Open a self-directed Gold IRA. Your custodian opens the account before any funds move. Only IRS-approved gold is allowed, typically 99.5% purity or higher, such as approved coins or bars. 5. Use a direct rollover. To avoid penalties, always use a direct custodian-to-custodian transfer. Funds move straight from your 403(b) to your Gold IRA without passing through your hands. 6. Buy approved gold and store it properly. Once funded, your custodian purchases approved gold and stores it in a secure, insured depository. Home storage is not allowed. 7. Avoid common mistakes. Do not take possession of funds, miss deadlines, or buy non-approved metals. These errors can trigger taxes and penalties. 8. Know the benefits. Gold IRAs offer diversification, inflation protection, and long-term stability during economic uncertainty. 9. Long-term strategy considerations. Before rolling over, decide how much gold fits your portfolio, consider your retirement timeline, understand storage fees, and plan for future distributions. Gold works best as part of a balanced, long-term strategy, not a short-term trade. Learning how to convert a 403(b) to a Gold IRA rollover without penalty gives you more control over your retirement future. By following IRS rules, choosing the right custodian, and using a direct rollover, you can safely diversify your savings with physical gold and build a stronger, more resilient retirement plan. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.